Kapil, what's the way forward, Kapil? Do you think that the Supreme Court's order is an order which can be implemented in toto? Are we in a position to implement that order?
Bhupen, the challenge, interestingly, is that more than 1 lakh students study from us every week in 500 districts across the country. And the sense that I am getting is that people were not asking for postponement because they wanted more time to prepare for NEET exam. There is a genuine concern on the part of the students and the parents that there is a health risk out there. And you must have seen pictures out of Comet K today. But I do want to say, when we are preparing students for an exam like NEET, in this situation, as of today, the reality is that Supreme Court asked NTA, can you do it? They said yes, we are ready. And at that point,
इंस्टा सॉल्वर पर होगा अब आपके सभी मैथ्स, फिजिक्स और बायोलॉजी डाउट्स का सफाया। बस अपने क्वेश्चन की फोटो खींचे, इसे क्रॉप करें और इसे सबमिट करें और 30 सेकंड में इसका सॉल्यूशन पाओ। क्लास 6 to 12 से लेकर नीट, IIT, JEE, मेंस एंड एडवांस लेवल तक। इसके व्हाट्सएप नंबर 9499499499 पर क्वेश्चन सबमिट करें और पाए तुरंत वीडियो सॉल्यूशन।
point of time, it becomes imperative on the part of the Supreme Court that they believe the implementing agency. Now, so for a student, the reality today is that the exam is going to happen. And what I've been communicating to our students is, if you are hoping for postponement, your effort of last 2 to 3 years gets wasted if the exam doesn't get postponed. The exam can only get postponed now, at least the way I understand, if NTA comes back and says, you know what, the logistics are too much, there is a great health risk and we can't do it. So what I've been requesting through our channel, through our platform is, let Mr. Pokhriyal and Dr. Vineet Joshi come over every 2 days, give regular briefings about what they are going to do to ensure transport is there, what are going to be the protocols when parents and students are coming in. You see the pictures of Comet K today. It seems very, very clear that when someone thought about SOPs, they thought about SOPs inside the examination center. What about SOPs outside the gate? When people are trying to rush in so that they don't get late for the examination, they settle in time so that they can give the exam. These are the challenges. This is a massive, massive logistical issue. And I don't think people don't understand, students don't understand, parents don't understand, but they need the comfort. We have lived our life through a जुगाड़ method. राशन की दुकान पे जाओ, अच्छा नहीं मिला, चलता है, ट्रेन लेट है, चलता है. In this case, if there is a chalta hai attitude, there is a serious risk involved, and they need, students and parents need this confirmation from NTA, from the government. This is how we are going to do. This is how we are going to ensure sanity outside the examination center. This is how we are going to ensure sanity inside the. You said, why are there no briefings? Briefings are required. People have immense trust in NTA. They have been doing a fantastic job.
I think you've hit the hammer on the nail.
Briefings are required.
You've hit the hammer on the nail that we're a country which believes in chalta hai attitude. We're becoming a society which is wanting to be entertained and not informed. We're becoming a society where anything and everything goes because we just want to clap. All of us have become a tamash-been samaj.